In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Opera Mini not downloading files or videos. If your downloads keep stalling, failing, or disappearing. The most common cause is the way Opera Mini compresses data. That compression is great for saving bandwidth, but it can interfere with larger files and certain servers. Start by opening Opera Mini, heading to Settings and looking for Data Savings. Set it to Off for the most reliable results. If you prefer to conserve data, choose Automatic rather than Extreme, because Automatic keeps more of the standard download behavior intact while still saving some bandwidth. If downloads still fail, clear temporary files that might be corrupt. On your device, go to Settings, find your apps list. Open Opera Mini, then go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to wipe short-term files that can block or corrupt downloads. If that doesn't help, consider tapping Clear Data or Clear Storage. This gives you a clean slate, removing old app data that can cause stubborn issues. Keep in mind this resets Opera Mini to its default state, so your preferences are wiped and any saved offline pages are removed. After that, reopen the app and try the download again. Next, make sure the app itself isn't the problem. Older versions can have broken download protocols or security bugs that modern sites reject. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Opera Mini and install any available update. Updates often include download fixes and compatibility improvements, so this step alone can resolve persistent failures. After updating, fully close and relaunch the app to load the new components before testing a download. Finally, confirm Opera Mini is saving to a folder your device allows. In Opera Mini, go to Settings, open Downloads, and tap Download folder. Choose a standard, writable location like the default Downloads directory or the Documents folder in internal storage. Avoid unusual or restricted paths as well as protected system directories. If the app asks for permission to access that folder, approve it so Opera Mini can write files without interruption. With the folder set correctly, try downloading a file or video again from a site you trust to verify everything works smoothly. Work through these fixes in order they address the most common causes of failed downloads in Opera Mini and should get your files and videos saving reliably. Again, thanks for watching.